Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience with NationalCashCredit, so your mileage may vary. NationalCashCredit is profiled on Crunchbase, a leading platform providing insights into company data. According to their Crunchbase organization profile, NationalCashCredit offers financial services. While specific details regarding their offerings aren't readily available directly on Crunchbase, the platform serves as a valuable starting point for preliminary research. For a more comprehensive understanding of NationalCashCredit services, loan products, and eligibility criteria, further investigation is recommended. Consider visiting their official website or consulting other reputable financial resources. Crunchbase often links to a company's official website, which can provide a more complete picture of their operations. Keep in mind that Crunchbase primarily functions as a directory and aggregator of company information. Its strength lies in providing a quick overview and key data points, but it may not always offer the depth of information needed for a thorough evaluation. Therefore, using Crunchbase in conjunction with other resources is often the most effective approach for conducting due diligence. Remember to always research thoroughly before making any financial decisions. Checking online reviews and ratings can also offer helpful perspectives from other customers. Understanding the terms and conditions of any financial product is crucial before committing. This information is typically available on a company's website or can be obtained by contacting their customer service department. While Crunchbase provides a useful introduction to NationalCashCredit, remember to supplement this information with additional research from trustworthy sources. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance tailored to your specific financial situation.